gotta take your picture so we can prove to your mom you went. David's got the video camera. How's the water? Cold? I think it's cold, isn't it?
Yeah, it can get cold.
Did it take some getting
Dry.
right?
That was fun. What? Yeah, go on and go. Brother. That'll give them the videotape. we'll go walk back here. Either one. Walk up to the edge of the water and push the front in. Okay.
Alright, I got a couple.
We're going backwards on the river. It's gonna be cool.
Don't forget to get out or the right place.
There's a canoe.
I don't want to be looking for you all night long.
Come on.
I'm sorry.
You're so picky. Oh, good job. We got a problem here. Yeah.
These people gotta come and stop.
These people are coming, maybe coming in here, so you might want to get out of here.
Oh, I'm still recording.
Mark, you could wave goodbye and throw me a kiss. This one even has their dog.
I know.
Tape the dog. That'd be cute.
Thumper. Steve Cannon Thumper. He wants to get out.
Oh, I guess he does.
Take a dive.
Aren't they cute?
One at a time here.
We need help. Do those flip things work? Down there. Help. How can we help with the skirts? Actually, mine's kind of hard to put on in the back. It's easy. That was easy. Show off. I'll make sure mine has come off in the back here. These are easy to put on. Yeah. They get easier when they get wet too. So they say. Come on. Watch me fall over right away to push me. No, I can hand me in. Oh! Push me in. I can get it to you now. Wait a second.
Let's see.
All you do is push him straight in. Yep. And watch him play.
And away they go. Okay, we'll see you in about 4 hours. At Highway 13.
There.
At the cabin, and we painted the floor on the porch. So look, we have electricity, and Dad is vacuuming. Do you believe this? In the kitchen. You know, this is a shock to the system here. Hey, honey. Hi.
What are you doing?
Oh, we're just taking some pictures. It's not normal that I have somebody vacuuming in the kitchen. Lisa and Peter are up with us.
Well, I think this one's done.
Okay. And Lisa's over here, sitting on the couch. Hi.
Hello.
Okay, and Peter's in here.
Hi. I just won at Frisbee Golf.
What was the score, Peter?
I got 44,
Way high.
and that was the winning score. I won't tell you what those other guys
It's windy today.
Yeah, it's beautiful up at the cabin.
It's a little warm.
Lisa and Peter just gave me
July
a birthday
30th.
present. I think I got laid out over here.
What's today?
Yeah, it's the 30th today.
Yeah,
Maybe she should
nice
have brought
outfit. Nice outfit.
Yeah, you can hold
I'm
it
gonna
up.
I'm
Why don't you hold it up and I'll tape it on you?
okay, Lisa's gonna tape, and I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm gonna take it to Vegas with me.
Oh, here
Hey,
comes
there he
Mark.
is. It's the carpet
Here,
salesman.
Mark, turn around. Turn
It's the
around. Show
carpet
Lisa.
salesman.
Get Mark.
Hey, isn't that Aladdin with his carpet?
I
think so.
We'll have to show him the porch as we're doing
Good
this.
thinking. Now that we got proof, we did some work.
You
They
better
did some work.
believe it.
They did some work.
Okay. This is what Lisa Peter gave me.
It's very cute. Teal. And the shorts, and she's gonna get the plants.
Don't you think I'll look really snazzy in Vegas in this outfit?
You bet.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go get the slacks too. It'll make a great outfit. Well, let's see what the guys are doing. Okay, shut it off.
Living room setup.
Yep, right in there. And a couple bedrooms.
There's the new porch floor screen.
And they did the walls too.
Walls are white. Looks really nice. Ceiling's white.
Looks rustic. Rustic. We'll show them.
Do I have to hold that on the whole time?
No, once you've done it, it'll say recorded there.
Does
While
record.
it's recorded.
Yep.
Oh, so you were
There's the
just
mess.
holding it?
There's the mess. That goes over here.
We'll show you in a couple minutes what it looks like
And
when
we'll
we're
see
all
it
done.
all rearranged.
Let's put the beds back.
It says end. Record.
Now, we keep
Oh,
switching this one
And that
picture.
means you've run out of tape or something.
Running out of tape. That's all it takes.
This one went way back behind
So
them.
that's it.
That's the first
Dad
one.
painted it.
Yeah.
There's everybody down there.
That one goes in there.
There's Mark.
Peter, we
Thinking
keep
of spray.
switching this one picture back and forth between Jim and I, between Jim and Dad. He thinks this picture
olive
right there,
picture.
the olive, should belong there, and we think it should belong in here where all the art. We're putting a.
Okay, you want to swing to the outside.
Yeah, but make sure it looks
There's the bed.
Got her?
Oh my gosh. We'll see back in a couple minutes.
Dry drop it on there. There's the headboard.